Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Bahamas Lana Art, and I am back with another video. So guys, today we are going to the Cheesecake Factory, so I will be taking you guys along with us. So if you are interested in this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, leave a comment down in the description box, and let's dive into the video. So this is actually going to be my first time going to the Cheesecake Factory. This is going to be my first time going to the Cheesecake Factory, and I'm so excited. Yes, so we're in the garage, the parking lot area. We're going in the elevator until once back off. Yeah, that person got back off. Anyway, so this is once we get downstairs and we see the Cheesecake Factory, I'll be back. Okay guys, so we arrived at the Cheesecake Factory, and so we are looking at the menu now. No, babe, I want this one. This is Adam peanut. No, this is Adam peanut. This one is this. Okay guys, so we just got our cheesecake. This is some nice. Look, can y'all see? So we're gonna eat it. Taste test. So I got what I got the Adam's peanut butter fudge, and my husband got the coconut cream pie, and he's killing that. He's sweet molding. Tastes good.
peanut butter ice cream or chocolate peanut butter ice cream?
Oh, you just had it last night. Let me taste yours. Okay guys, so we just came out of the Cheesecake Factory. That was a nice experience. So many cheesecake to choose from, like so many. But we just walking down this. But look at the background, it's so pretty, very pretty. So yeah, like the weather is perfect. Hubby is here. You are a tourist. You feel like a tourist. You are a tourist. Yeah, so I love my cheesecake. It's really nice. I don't like my husband's cheesecake. I feel like it's lacking something. But we are on the buildings. But we are on the street. Whatever street this is, that's where we are. Las Olas Boulevard, Southeast 5 Avenue. I don't know. That's where we are. Yeah, I think this is their downtown, maybe. I don't know, but it's nice. It's pretty, it's beautiful. We are literally just sitting at this bus stop, just chilling, you know, enjoying this beautiful scene. But let me know down in the description box which cheesecake you would try. Would it be the coconut cream pie, or would it be the peanut butter cheesecake? I think mine was better than my husband. Like it was better. But anyway, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell. Leave a comment down in the description box, and I will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye.